So good evening all and welcome to our Trading Tuesdays. Every single Tuesday on this call, what we'll be doing is be going through different trading techniques. We'll be looking at the markets. It will literally be a journey of us laying the foundations, asking questions and really just breaking down and understanding the markets. But this call is literally laying the foundation in order for us to gain absolute success with this platform. So let me share my screen right now. I hope everyone's got their pens and papers ready. Guys, if we are ready for this call, please put a number 1 in the box. Let me see if everyone is ready. Put a number 1 in the box just to show me that you're ready to go. You've got your pens ready and your notepads, and you're ready to literally put down a game plan that's going to allow you to be successful in trading. I see Andrew on a call, Irene, Ann, Melissa, Bob, Paulina, Kitty, welcome on a call. Anybody else? We've got around 30 people on a call. Got Marlon on a call. Excellent. Leonard on a call. Excellent. Fantastic. So let me just share my call and we'll get straight into it. All right. Forex trading. Just to remind everybody of our weekly schedule. So on Mondays, we have mindsets. So that's going to just be dealing with our mindset and being in the right mind for success. On Tuesdays, we'll be analyzing the markets and on our trading trainings. Wednesday, in our evenings, we've got our business opportunity meeting. So tomorrow evening, I beseech you all to be at the meeting and invite your prospects there. Events, elevate vision and eliminate negative thoughts. It's so important. On Thursday, it's strictly about how to build your business. It's literally the chairman game plan on Thursdays. On Friday, we'll be launching new members. So any new member that's on the call, we launch them. And on Sunday, it will be a Zoom call by myself. So guys, this week is literally going to be just information, laying down the foundations. But then every single week, it will be connected. So what will happen is if we're building, if we're trading, we'll be analyzing the markets. And then the following week, we'll see the results. What did everybody do? It will be interactive. Building a business, where we set ourselves KPIs. Where's everyone at? What have you done? It will be interactive and vice versa. So literally, that's what we're going to be doing. All calls will be recorded. I know not everyone will be able to attend all calls all the time, but all the calls will be recorded for you to review and to go over. Like we start off with all calls, what is your dream? Yeah, I'm saying, because the reason why we're in this, not because we just like trading, but we're in this for a purpose. There's a goal to why we're here. There's a reason to why we're here. So it's very, very important that we have that in mind. We write down our goals. We write down what it is that we want to achieve, because that is what's going to drive us. People ask, is trading difficult? No, it's not. Achieving your goal is that difficult. What effect is that going to have on you? Not whether you get or understand trading or not. It should always be tied to your dream. Yeah, very, very important. And lastly, success is a simple measurement of your commitment, sacrifice, and pain one endures to achieve the dream. So if you've joined this opportunity because you want to achieve your dream, then you must understand that it's going to take a level of commitment, sacrifice. There's going to be pain. But once you endure that, you're going to be able to achieve your dream. Speaking with Starboy, he said there's 3 C's that is needed for success. He said commitment, consistency, and coachability. You need to be consistent in whatever you're doing. You need to be committed to whatever you're doing. Committed is staying with something until you achieve that outcome, no matter how you feel. And you have to be able to be coachable to be able to learn. is so important. A reminder of our Project 200. In 90 days, we want to develop 200 new Platinum 1000s in our organization over the next 90 days to freedom. All right, fantastic. So the first video I want to play just to set the foundation, because I know there's going to be different level of people on this call, from those who have just joined, congratulations and welcome, and to those who've been here for 3, 5, 6 months. So we're going to start off with a very short video. It's about 2 minutes that lets us know exactly what is the Forex. So what is the Forex? So let me just share my screen, and you can watch this video of what is the Forex.
If you have ever traveled to a foreign country, you may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you have already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price, because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of the currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got $700 US, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market. We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it is not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine. You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what Trading Club is here for. To help you learn how to trade in a way that will suit your individual lifestyle, and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So that just gave a brief introduction, an overview of what Forex is. All right. So before I continue, I spoke about the dream. So there are going to be 2 questions I'm going to ask you. So what is it, one thing that you look to achieve by being a profitable trader? Write me one thing in the box. Yeah. that you wish to achieve. It could be a short-term goal of being able to clear a £500 debt that I have, or it could be a long-term goal of changing the world and helping with poverty. So write me in a box right now, one thing that you look to achieve, your dream, your goal, one thing of learning how to trade the Forex. Write it in a box for me, please. All right, they're coming through now. I'll read them as they come through. Thank you for those who are answering. Telling my mom she doesn't have to work. Put my kids in private school. Send my mom back home and buy her a shop. Get my son a headstone on his grave. Debt free, enjoy quality time with my family. Enough money to help save and achieve other things. 80% profit consistently and 20% losses long-term, and quit my job. Short-term, increase my trading daily profits to 250 a day. Pay for my parents' mortgage payments. Earn and be able to support my family and others in the community. Set up my family for life. Purchase a car as I'm traveling on public transport at the moment. Long-term, help my family abroad in Sierra Leone. Retire my parents. To be so financially free that I can do whatever I want and go wherever I want and get anything that I want. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Guys, thank you so much for sharing. So what is a Forex? So why become a Forex trader? Why? Because the average daily volume in the Forex is 5 trillion. Simple as that. It's the largest financial market in the world. Look at it compared to the other markets. Compared to the New York Stock Exchange, the Tokyo, the London Stock Exchange, is so many times bigger. The others are in billions, but the Forex, foreign exchange, is in trillions. Now, I saw one of you wrote it. With the Forex, yeah, you can work wherever you want. That's why it says whenever, wherever, however you want to work. That's the reason why you would want to do the Forex. Not only is it the largest financial market in the world, but you can do it wherever and whenever you want. The Forex never sleeps. It's a global market. When one market closes, another opens. It's 24 hours a day. It goes from Sydney, London, New York, Tokyo. It goes. It's 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And the barrier to entry is low. Becoming a Forex trader used to be one of the most expensive investments an individual could make. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, it used to need at least 100,000 to 1 million to be able to trade. But now, because of the brokers, the barrier of entry is low. And because of iMarkets Live, the barrier of entry for education, again, it is low. Now, what else does it allow you to do is leverage. What is leverage? The foreign exchange markets offers something that the stock markets, securities, equities, and others do not. It's called leverage. Leverage is having the ability to have a smaller investment, but have a large buying power. For example, if you have a $1,000 account, if your broker offers you a leverage of 1 to 200, then you are able to control 200,000 units of buying power. That allows you much more larger returns. So with the power of leverage, you can have a small deposit, but your opportunity can be large. But leverage is also a double-edged sword. Without the proper risk management, you can lose your initial deposit more quickly due to leverage. The same way you can have a small deposit for a large return, you can have a small deposit that can be wiped out quickly. That is why educational system is important. And that's why iMarkets Live is set up to help you to have the correct risk management to help you to become a profitable trader. Another benefit of the Forex is the fact that you can buy and sell. It's recession proof. The market goes up, you can make money. the market goes down, you can make money because it is done in pairs. Because you trade in pairs, one currency is going to be stronger than the other. So when one goes up, one goes down. So it's recession proof, the beauty. Now, this is the traders training session. It is so important that you read this trader's commitment at least once a week. This is your commitment as a trader. It was written by a Daisy Duncan. A Daisy Duncan, for those of you who don't know, she is the one who records at least 90% of the traders are learning. The key is to commit. That's a word again. Commitment, consistency, and coachability. The key is to commit to learning and to commit to no judgment. No judgment until you are fully committed to education and learning from 3 to 6 months. I think people are saying that the sound, can you hear me clearly now? I think they said the sound is going weird. Is it back to normal now? Let me know if you can hear me clearly. All right, perfect. All right, excellent. So your commitment to learning, no judgment until you're fully committed to education and learning from 3 to 6 months. Guys, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yeah? Remember your goals and your dreams that you said to me. You need to be committed to this, to the learning, for at least 3 to 6 months. You are a student. I am a student learning a skill that can pay me for the rest of my life. I am under no pressure to begin to trade live. I have no reason to rush. I will take my time and get what I paid for, which is education. I understand that IML is an educational platform. When I tell others about IML, I tell them just that. If anyone wants to know if I have made money trading, I will tell them the truth, that I am a student at the moment. Some of us, because we're so eager to get people on, if we just sign up and it asks us, how much have you made? We start to panic. We start to panic and we say, oh, no, be honest. You've just joined. You are a student, you're learning. Yeah? So instead of sharing your dollar amount, I will share my progress since I've joined. So since I've joined, I have learned what a pip is. Since I've joined, I understand where money comes from. Since I've joined, I understand about leverage, support, and resistance. That is what you want to share. I understand that there's no real difference in this educational platform and going to any college or trade school. When students join colleges or trade school, they are not expected to be excellent at their trade or major within the first few weeks or even within the first few years. I too will give myself an appropriate amount of time to improve my skill and craft. I will not rush myself or allow anyone to rush me. I will not compare myself to other skill level because I am unique. I compete only with myself. I give myself permission to take my time, pace myself, and develop and perfect my skill. Yeah? It's so important that you remember this trader's commitment, that you read it at least once a week, that you understand that this is going to take time. You need to be committed. You need to be consistent. It's like learning any new skill. You're going to allow yourself to be able to learn, focus. You're going to make mistakes along the way. But for those who endure to the end are those who are going to reap the benefits of being an excellent, profitable trader. So guys, pens and papers out. I hope you've been taking notes so far. Here is the trading plan. Now, some of you have just joined and some of you have joined from a long time ago. But I've noticed that there's certain bad habits that we've done what is not allowing us to gain the progress that we want. So it's very, very important that we actually go back to basics, that we ensure that the foundation is built. So this is the trading plan that I want you to execute, because over this 90 days, we've pressed a refresh. I want us all to refresh. I want us all to go back and do this thing properly. Because if we do it properly, the results are going to be sure. If we take shortcuts and think that we can just go into the markets with just going through basics one, we are going to fail and we're going to become frustrated. So I want us to commit today that over the next 90 days, we are going to refresh. We're going to start from the beginning and we're going to commit and be consistent and coachable in order for us to succeed. Guys, do we agree to that? Are we happy to refresh? Are we happy to go back to basics in order for us to fill in the gaps in order for us to succeed? If we're happy, say, I'm happy. Or say yes. If we're happy to refresh, if we're happy to take our time, if we're happy to move forward, if we're happy, say yes. And it's so important that we hold each other accountable. Yeah? This is going to be exciting. I'm excited about these calls because what's going to happen is there's going to be accountability now. No longer are you going to feel that you're alone. Everyone's going to have an accountability partner in order for them to ensure that they are being consistent. Yeah? That's important because we want to be able to achieve our goals. And we're in this together. Guys, we are different. We are the Kairos Empire. We're here to seize this opportunity. So we're not going to allow us to fail in this. Why? Because our goals are too big. We need to be able to achieve it. So we're not going to allow this to defeat us. We are going to ride above it. Guys, are we excited about this? We are going to do this together. Guys, we've been working night and day in order for us to build this system that's going to be bulletproof. So this is what I want us to do. So for those of you, we're going to refresh. So I'm going to go through this quickly. If you have all these things, then you're good. If you haven't, make sure that you do it as we're going through this call. Yeah. So the first thing is what you need to ensure that you have is the iMarkets Live app on your phone. Make sure that you have this app on your phone, the iMarkets Live app on your phone. If you've got an Android, here is the link. If you have an Android, here is the link. Yeah? Go to your Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, here is the link. Go to your App Store. Yeah? So make sure that you have this app on your phone. It's so important, guys. We're starting afresh. So make sure that you have the app. If you already have the app on your phone already, just give me a number 2. If you already got the app on your phone, give me a number 2 and let's move on. If you've got the app on your phone, if you don't, download it now. If you've got the app on your phone, give me a number 2 that you already have the iMarkets Live app on your phone. Yeah, that's important. So make sure. And guys, write these steps down because everybody that you're going to bring into the business, you want to essentially go through this presentation with them. Yeah, so make sure that number 1, they have the app on their phone. I see a lot of number 2s. Excellent. Next is Pip Talk. Yeah. So now what we have is Telegram. Yeah. But we want to be able to log into Pip Talks. It's soon going to be an app. But right now, Pip Talk is where it's at. All the educators have their own channels. They give out their signals, their courses, information. So make sure that you have Pip Talk. And here's the website for the Pip Talk. Yeah, is www.imlpiptalk.com. Yeah, make sure that you've saved this in your browser. imlpiptalk.com. It's so important that you save this in your favorites. Yeah, it's very, very important. Next, you need to join the IML Elite Facebook group. If you don't have Facebook, that's fine, but it will be good if you can join Facebook just to be in this group. Why? Because in this group, we have the majority of IML in this group. People share questions, events that's happening all around the world. You can plug people in and feel part of the community. But you cannot find it if you search for IML Elite, you can't find it. You have to be invited to the group. Yeah. So make sure that your upline, the person who brought you into the business, invites you to the IML Elite group. Guys, if you're already in the IML Elite group, say yes, I'm in. If you're not, say no, I'm not. So I can see how many of us are in the group. So are you in the group? Give me a yes or give me a no. All right, I'm seeing a lot of no's. Yeah. So what you want to do, if you're not in the group, yeah, go to the person who invited you and let them invite you on. If you're not on Facebook, then that's fine. You don't need to join Facebook just for the group, even though it'll be good. But you can just join the Telegram group. But if you are on Facebook, join the IML Elite group, yeah, guys. So you've downloaded the app, you've saved Pep Talk on your favorites. You've joined the IML Elite group. If I personally signed you up, just send me a WhatsApp message and I will invite you. Now, the next thing you want to do is download these two apps, Telegram and Zoom. Now, we're going to be moving from Telegram to Pep Talk, but while Telegram is still there, you want to download Telegram. So make sure you have these two apps on your phone. Anyone that joins, you have these two apps, because Telegram is going to give you the swipe trade signals. It's good, and if there's a problem with the app, it's going to give you the different sessions, like wealthy pips. They all got their own Telegram group. Again, you can be invited to these groups. If you've got the Telegram and Zoom app, obviously you have Zoom because you're on the call. But if you've got a Telegram group, say yes. If you don't, say no. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of no's. So make sure that right now, as we're talking, you download a Telegram group and you get your upline to send you the links of the groups that you need to join. Yeah, it's very, very important. If you've got the app but you don't have the groups, message your upline and ask them, what groups do I need to join? Yeah. Or what you can do is message me after this call and I can send you the Telegram groups you need to join. Yeah. If your upline is not in the group. Now, going into the trading, yeah? The first thing you want to do is to download your MetaTrader 4 app. Guys, I've mentioned a number of apps you need to download. The IML app, yep. I said Zoom, Telegram, now MetaTrader 4. For those of you who are new on the call, MetaTrader 4 is the app that you're going to use to place your trades. Yeah. As soon as somebody signs up, you want them to download the MetaTrader 4 app. Yeah. So make sure that you've downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app. Yeah. Because this is what's going to allow you to place your trades. Yeah. Guys, if you haven't downloaded the app, tell me, just write no in a group. If you have, say yes, you've downloaded the app. Yeah. And you want to open up a broker account. Yeah. We're making sure that we're going through these basics. I know those who have been in it for long, you've already done this. This is for the benefit of those who have just joined. So now you've downloaded these apps, make sure you open up a broker account. Yeah. These are some of them. You've got IC Markets, Traders Way, Hot Forex. So what you want to do, again, you can message your upline to tell you what broker you can choose, or you can research your own brokers. iMarkets Live doesn't tell you what broker to join. You can research your own broker, but speak to the person who introduced you so that they can refer you or advise you on what they're doing. Because what you want to do is, when you first join, you want to download the MetaTrader 4 app, open up a broker account and open up a demo account. Not a live one just yet. You open up a demo account. Yeah. It's very, very important. Then you want to download the Swipe Trade app. The Swipe Trade app is an app that you use to copy and paste, yeah? So you want to use this to copy and paste. Some people have the Swipe Trade app but don't know how to use the Swipe Trade app. So I'm going to send you a video in the group. Watch it. Copy and paste this. This is how to place a swipe trade. Copy and paste this and save it, so you know how to place a swipe trade. The beautiful thing about the company is that you can earn while you learn. You can earn while you learn, yeah? So this video will teach you how to copy and paste, yeah? So is Swipe Trade and Swipe Coin the same thing? So Swipe Trade is for your Forex signals. Swipe Coin is for your cryptocurrency. Yeah. So Swipe Trade is for Forex signals and Swipe Coin is for the cryptocurrency. So you want to make sure you download. I've sent you the link of how you can place your trades. Yeah. So guys, are you following me so far? Is MT4 for demo 2? Yes. So MT4 is both for your demo and your live. It will allow you to do your demo and your live. Yeah. So just to show you how easy it is to open up a demo account, I will show you. So for example, if you're doing IC markets, yeah, if you go to IC markets and I can send you the link, let me know if you need me to send you a link. So I use IC markets. I can send you a link for them. All you do is literally open up the link. Yeah. And you can click try a free demo account. Or you click, start trading. When you click start trading, that is very, very easy to do. Yeah. So if you need me to send you a link for the broker accounts and just instructions, WhatsApp me and I will do that. Yeah. WhatsApp me, send me a WhatsApp, because I know people are writing, send me stuff in the group, but after the call finishes, I'm going to lose this group. But if you send it to me on my WhatsApp, I will have a trail of what it is that I need to do for you. Yeah. So send it to me in the WhatsApp group. Yeah. So guys, are we happy so far? Any questions so far on where I've reached? Any questions so far? I know for those who are already advanced or been in it for long, you've passed this stage. But this is just to ensure that everybody in the Kairos Empire is up to the same page and nobody gets left behind. So, and for those who are already in it this is just to ensure that when you're bringing somebody else on new, this is what you're going to ensure that they do. So you want to do this when a person signs up, yeah, the same day they sign up, you want to have completed these sections. Yeah, it's very important. Is everybody happy so far? Any questions? Yeah, correct. Upline should be doing these essentially, exactly. So your upline should be doing this. When someone signs up, the upline should be inducting them like I'm doing now. So we're just doing this because we've figured out, obviously we've came in, we've learned, and we're just correcting it. So from now going forward, this is how we're launching somebody, especially in the trading side. Any questions, guys? Are we happy? If we're happy, say yes, we're happy. Give me a number 1 if we're happy. Or any questions up to this point, let me know. We ain't got long left on the call. So number 1 if we're happy so far. Fantastic. So we're all good. We're all good. Yeah. Guys, it's very, very important that we understand that any tall building, in order for a tall building to stand strong, what is the most important part of the structure? Yeah. Those who do architecture will know. In order to build a very tall building, what is important? What's the most important part of the structure? All right, 99% got it right. Majority of people saying foundation, which is very, very important. The foundation is so important. If we don't have the right foundation, yeah, we're not going to be able to build this massive structure. So the foundation is so, so important, yeah? And what is the foundation to us being able to become profitable traders? It is the IML Academy. The IML Academy is the foundation to our success. It's so, so important that we understand that. So many of us are rushing through the beginning. We're not downloading the app. We're not joining the Facebook group. Yeah, we're not learning. Yes, we're not learning the basics, and we're rushing. Remember that we're students always. Exactly. We are not learning and we're failing. It's so important. I cannot stress how important the IML Academy is. You know what? And sometimes I blame those who are bringing people on, because we sell people a dream that people think they're going to show up and money's going to fall from heaven to the ground. But you must understand that there's going to be a level of commitment needed, a level of sacrifice. Someone asked me today, how much time would I need? They were basing their decision on joining this based on the time that they have. I said to them, how badly do you want your dreams? Don't ask me how much time you need for this. You need to ask me how badly you want your dreams. Guys, don't ask me how much time should I put in the IML Academy. Ask yourself, how much am I willing to commit to pay the price in order for me to understand this? And that is why IML Academy is so important. Over 50 recorded videos, starting from beginner to advanced, technical analysis, harmonics, market geometry. Some of us are trading live and we haven't even completed the IML Academy. That is insane. We haven't even done mindset on the IML Academy and we're trading live. How? Linda, why? It's so important. Now, this is what I want you to do. We're all starting from basics. We all agreed that we're going to be refreshing. So I don't care how many times you've done the IML Academy, over this next 90 days, we are all refreshing, yeah? We're all refreshing. Now, this is what I want you to do, yeah? We're going to go through basics 1 to 4. Again, getting a notebook and pen. Everybody, uplines, P2Ks, P1Ks, I don't care what rank you are, even me. I'm going to go through it again. Yeah, and we're going to review it on our calls before we go into the strategies and stuff and the subsequent weeks. Go through basics 1 to 4 and you want to review it with your mentor. Go through it and then have a session, 30 minutes with your mentor, just going back and forth. You could be teaching each other. This is what I learned. This is what you learned. This is what I learned. This is what you learned. This is what I learned from basics 1 to 4. Then technical analysis, and we're going to review with mentor. So technical analysis, then you review. This is Starboy's way of inducting people. Then intermediate 1 and 2, then you review. Then mindset, then you review. Guys, you just need a minimum, yeah, of 20 minutes a day to go through basics 1 to 4 in literally 2 weeks. It's all about consistency. Ask yourself, how much time can you commit a day to the IML Academy, to learning? Student always. We're saying we're a student always, but some of us are just placing swipe trades and not even learning. Even to place swipe trades, copy and paste, you need a level of basics education. Not education as in school, education of Forex from the IML Academy. Yeah, it's so important. So please put down in the chat right now, how much time in your day can you commit to consistently? Write it. Don't give me 3-4 hours. Can you do that consistently? Give me the minimum you can do consistently a day on the IML Academy. Write it down for me, please. Be realistic about it. Realistic. Yeah, I'm saying, especially those with kids, jobs, yeah, I'm saying long. Just be realistic. How much can you realistically do a day from, let's say, Monday to Friday? I'm seeing 30 minutes, an hour, 45 minutes. Fantastic. This is all good. Someone said 3 hours. Okay, if you could do that consistently, that's perfect. It needs to be consistent. And you need to get your notebook and pen. So what I want you to do, guys, we need to hold our uplines accountable. Yeah? Put a schedule down. I'm going to come back to you. So when you're bringing somebody new, say to them when you want them. Put a date down. If they're going to do 20 minutes a day, calculate the videos. It's 10 to 15 minutes, so calculate it. If you're doing 30 minutes a day, and the videos, that means you can do at least 2 videos in a day. Or maybe 1 video, because you're going to pause it and take notes. Yeah? So it's so important. Yeah? You do that, and you review it. Make sure that you review it. And while you're going, like I said, you can earn while you learn with the swipe trades, yeah? We ain't got long left. So the last thing, the next thing, guys, we are sleeping on this. We are absolutely sleeping on the IML TV. I don't think you understand how much money you're missing out on the IML TV. IML Academy is amazing because it's going to give you the basics. Yeah? It's so important that you consistently pick 2 to 3 educators to watch religiously. Follow them. Follow them. Yeah? And let me give you, for those of you who are brand new, a Daisy Duncan, Forex 101. Watch her sessions. Watch her sessions. If you're advanced, Christopher Derrick, Lex Waves. But you want to religiously watch a Daisy Duncan until you become your understanding of the basics. You want to watch her live sessions because she's taken what she's done on the theory and putting it in a live session. Let me show you how amazing these sessions are. I sent it to the group the other day. So one of my brothers in Ghana, his name is Sam, who's joined the platform. In fact, I met Sam. Well, I don't really personally know Sam. I brought on someone in Ghana who brought Charles, who's from America. Charles signed up his brother who's in Ghana. Now, Sam sends me his results. And look at his account, his balance. Look what he made. I asked him, how did you do it? I asked him, was this a swipe trade? He said, nah, live trading with Christopher Derrick and Lee Allen on IML TV. What does that mean? That means he just watched it. He's learning from them. And while he's learning from them, they are calling out trades and he's placing it. The more he does it, is the more he's going to understand their trading pattern and he's going to be able to adopt their skills. And then soon, he's going to be able to do it on his own. But while he still has the training wheels on, he's making money. What an amazing platform we have. I said to him, I'm going to share it in a group if that's cool. He goes, oh, sure, that's fine. He said, we caught over 300 pips since Friday. I said, wow, was that Christopher Derrick? He said, yes, most of them. And he's really good. He goes, he sends setups to his Pip Talk channel. Remember I said to you to join Pip Talk. So while they have their IML TV, they send their signals via Pip Talk. Here is an example. Then he sent me another one of his trades. He made $800. I said, what did you use? He said, Fibonacci, Starboy, trend lines, support and resistance. Just can't get enough of IML. If you're not making money from this, or if you're not advancing, not even money, if you're not advancing in your knowledge, it's because you don't want to. It's because we're spoiled for choice. We have an amazing platform here. And it's so important, like you said, the most important part of any structure is the foundation. Yeah? It's the foundation. So please let us get the foundation right. When we're launching people, let us launch them how I'm launching you now. We're all pressing the restart button over the next 90 days. Ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, just imagine if we go through the IML Academy from a basic to advanced, if we follow a trader religiously every single time they have a session, if we get their signals in Pip Talk, what is going to happen to our dreams? We are going to achieve them. We are going to achieve our dreams. So it's so important that we understand what we have here. So guys, here's the trading plan. You're going to make sure that you open a demo account. You download MetaTrader 4. You join a Facebook group. You open a broker account. You go through basis 1 to 4. You review. You look at the technical analysis. You review. Intermediate 1 and 2, you review. The mindset on the IML Academy, you review. You pick 2 to 3 educators and you follow them religiously and you review. Yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, are we happy with this plan? If we're happy, let me know. If we're happy with what I've discussed today, are we happy? It's so important. I've sent you, placing a swipe case is easy. People can do that from the day they join, once they open a broker account. So you send them the link. It's so important. So important that we understand. Guys, we can do this, believe me. Like, what pains me is not somebody who's told me that they don't want to join this opportunity. What makes me sad is for those who join this opportunity, yeah, and they leave because they didn't build the right foundation, yeah? It's so important. Now, the future sessions, what we're going to do is we're going to look at strategies, a simple strategy on a harmonic scanner. We're going to look at a simple strategy on a web analyzer. We're going to look at the, how to do the Gold Cup. Keisha did an excellent session on the Gold Cup, London Daybreak. But I didn't want to do a strategy today if we don't have the foundations right. It's so important that we have the foundations. So please, from now till next week, let us go through the IML Academy. Let us download the app so that by next week, we'll all be on a great level for us to move on. Yeah? There's so many sessions we can join and so many strategies, but we must have the foundations right. It's so important. Yeah? So just so that I want to give you something, a last thing before we go, just so that we can at least have a trade-in. I want you to take a picture of this, screenshot this, or I can send it to you. If you can't screenshot, maybe you're on your phone, you can't screenshot, type, message me, and I will send this to you, yeah? Before you trade, these are the questions that you want to ask yourself. These are the basics, yeah? Before you trade, ask yourself, what's the trend? And you're going to be able to identify the trend if you do Basics 1 on the IML Academy. You ask yourself, what's the trend? The trend is the trend going up? Is it going down or is it sideways? If it's going up, if it's bullish, you ask yourself, is price at support? Yeah. For those of you who are new, you're going to learn this. I'm pushing the boat a bit so that you can go and learn the IML Academy. You ask yourself, is price at support? You got support and resistance zone. If it's bullish and it's at support, yes, you buy. If it's bullish and it's at support, no, you don't trade, you wait. If it's sideways, wait for the breakout. If it's bearish, if price is going down, you ask yourself, is price at resistance? If it's yes, you sell. If it's no, you don't trade, wait for it. Guys, this is all you need to know. You'll be surprised. Christopher Derrick, this is all he does. He's a six-figure trader just on this. But the reason why people don't make money is because of trading psychology. Trading psychology. You can have your rules, but because we're greedy, we want to break the rules. But if we have the right risk management, yeah, and trading psychology is what we're going to do next week. How can I have the right trading psychology? How can I calculate my right lot size? How can I know when to get out the market? Because look, these are the trading psychologies. Look at it. You start off optimistic. Yeah. You're excited. You're thrilled. You're at the top. Euphoria. Then the market starts to turn. You get anxious. You're in denial. It goes down. You're fear. You're depressed. You're losing money. You start to panic. Palpitations. Yeah, I'm saying you're depressed. And it starts to go up again. You get hope, relief, and optimism. Guys, it's all psychology. If we can master the psychology of trading, we will be very, very profitable. Yeah? So I just want to remind you all, guys, here's the weekly schedule. Monday, got mindset. And again, for those who tuned in yesterday, we didn't actually take yesterday's call, but from now on, we're going to be taking all these calls. Monday is mindset. Tuesday is the markets, trading. Wednesday, we've got our evening events. Guys, it's important that you're there. Thursday, how to build a business to become chairman. And the reason why we've separated it, because we've got some people who just come to trade. Yeah, I'm saying that's fine. You don't need to join this call. But if you want to build a residual income, jump on a call. We'll show you how. Friday, new members launch. Sunday, Zoom. So I end by asking you, what is your dream? What is it that you want to achieve? Yeah? It's so important that you write down your dream. You guys wrote in a group, but make sure you have it on your wall. Yeah? What is your dream? You said to me that your mom doesn't have to work no more. You want to put your kids in private school. Send your mom back home and buy her a shop. Get your son a headstone on his grave. debt-free, enjoy quality time with your family, enough money to help, save, and achieve other things. You want to increase your daily profits. You want to pay your parents' mortgage. This is your dream. You want to retire your parents, have an impact on your community. If these are your dreams, we have the blueprint for you to achieve those dreams. This is the blueprint. Guys, let's follow this blueprint and we will be successful. Let's follow this blueprint and we will achieve our goals. Guys, if you're happy with this call, if you're excited to press the reset, I want you to put a number 7 in the box. Put a number 7 in the box. If you're excited to reset today, if you're excited to have an accountability partner in your upline, if you're excited to achieve your goals and really go at this, give this a fresh start, I want you to put a number 7 in the box. Guys, we are going to do this. It's going to be amazing. We don't need a lot of money to start to make a lot of money. You don't need. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this is the Compound Daily. You can start with as little as £100 in your live account. Once you've done what it is that you've done and you've built the foundation, and you can start with 100 in your account. If you grow by 10% every single day over the next 90 days and you reinvest with $100, by the end of the 90 days, yeah, you would have turned that to $500,000. $500,000. If you just grow it by, so the first day you make 10 and you close it. The second day you make 11 and you close it. But the reason why a lot of people would not make this is because they don't have the willpower to close it when they just make a little profit. They think a little profit is not worth it. But we're going to be looking at it next week, how we can compound our accounts. Yeah, next week, that's what we're going to be looking at, how we can compound our accounts. Yeah, 7 is a number of perfection. That's why I wanted to end of completion. That's why I wanted to end with the number 7, because guys, we're going to be perfected in our goals. God is going to allow us to achieve this, because guys, our hearts are pure in this. Our team want to be successful in this. So this is going to happen by God's grace. I'm excited for our team. I'm excited for you, and I'm excited for us to achieve what it is that we need to achieve. So guys, God bless you. Guys, please, if your upline wasn't on, anybody that signed you up, let them know. Yeah, I'm saying that you want to, hold them accountable. You want them to help you with the trading plan and be accountable. Let's do this. So next week, Tuesday, yeah, hopefully everybody would have got to a certain level, and they want to give a specific strategy, one strategy that we can use in order for us to achieve. Guys, God bless you. Take care. Anything that you wanted, anything that I said that I'm going to send you, whether it's going to be your the broker account, invite into the Facebook group, or the swipe trade video, just message me on WhatsApp and I will send it to you. Take care and God bless. I want to see majority of you at the event tomorrow. And then on Thursday, we have our chairman talk. It's going to be absolutely amazing. God bless you and take care. Guys, if you found value on the call,